in chapter 17, he's on top of the world. In chapter 17, he's a fan favorite. In chapter 17, his ratings are high. But in chapter 30, he's running for his life. In chapter 30, the polls don't rate him in chapter 30 like they did in chapter 17. In chapter 30, the giant killer, the one that everyone paraded as the king of Israel, is now hiding in a cave for his life. The anointed one is wondering what he had done to suffer such rejection. What has he done to experience such difficulty? Tearfully, he inquires of